Alright guys, so this is the techno we showed you how to take apart, and now we are going to show you how to change the charging port, and that's what we have. And this is our hot air gun. So let me set the airflow to 6 out of 8, and then the temperature to 300 degrees centigrade, and then allow it time to warm as I look for my forceps because I will need them. And this is to show you how we deal with this. Forceps earlier. Oh yeah, thank you. So these are the forceps that I was talking about, and as such I like to think this is hot. Okay, so the autofocus is failing me, so now I'm going to lift this using forceps and raise this about half a centimeter from the ground and bring hot air pointed at it. The idea is such that when all the contacts melt, the thing falls off. And it has done it before I could describe it. Now that that one is off, I need to find my donor port, and before I find my donor port, I'm going to first unclog the points under which the port would anchor. So these points need to be hollow, so when I pass this under, you can see it passing. So I'm going to make this molten, and then using this suction device, suck out that solder. Okay, that didn't. Okay, that's out. That should also be. Okay. My device is a bit acting defective lately. Alright, I'm just going to use my mouth and blow a pulse of air to unclog, and see this one succeeded. So this part I'll do off camera. And I've blown them all out, and that's hollow. You can see that through. You can see what is under. So let me get my charging new replacement port and we'll replace it. Alright, now let's see which one is identical to it. I think this will do. Okay, should do. And at this point, I think I need my flax ready. Pick out the port that we need, which is that, and then look at our terminals. We need to sort of clean it, and to do that I'll need a fresh veneer of solder at the tip of my soldering gun, and then we're going to swab to, I don't know whether you guys are able to see anything here. Okay, I'm hopeful you are. So just retaining those with some fresh solder, and bring a new pot, put it in that hole. I'm going to have to rotate it this way so that I have it at an angle where, which I believe you guys are able to see. I hope so. Now I'm going to put some flax there. That's to prevent atmospheric oxidation as we apply solder to the terminals. Okay, the tip of my soldering gun is acting funny, so when I swab to and fro like that, I think I've gained some temporary strength right there. I'm going to now solder the anchor points, which are those 4 that went into the holes that we unclogged. So place the solder there, then there. Okay, right there, and lastly there. Okay, now that some solder has gone to the tip of my soldering gun, I'm going to again add some flux there and make final swabs. Okay, so some solder gets off the tip onto the solder point. So to and fro, right and fro. Okay, the extreme, this terminal and that terminal are in charge of power. The intermediate are for data, and OTG enable. So 5 terminals in total. Now let's put it together and test it to the point of closing. Okay. Okay. So let's plug this back in right there. Sorry. How am I doing in terms of time? Okay, so cover that, and then why I'm asking that is because I had promised it should be done in 10 minutes. What's the scenario? 15. Now I'm going to use the power bank to test. Maybe we'll pick the port that we need, and then bring this, plug it in. Okay, so let's look at the screen. The charging icon comes, and having come, it says 10%. So let me go on closing while it's plugged in, and then show you in the end what percentage it will have reached. So my screws are here. Feel free to skip to the end to see the final percentage, but if you want, watch along with me as I screw it back. I know it's a big battery, but by the time I finish screwing, it will have not dropped the percentage, like added the percentage, but let's be optimistic. And my power bank is probably fast charging in nature. Okay, so we begin with the crucial ends. Okay, and then that, and that. All right, so I think I'm going to put this one here. 80 less screws than necessary. Let me add an extra one. Okay, to there. Alright, so let's check the percentage. Wake the phone up. Still at 10. That means my power bank is a bit of a slow charger. Actually, this battery is a 5000 milliampere hour battery and requires about 3 minutes to increase the percentage with this. So I'm going to pause here, put the back together, and then come and show you when the percentage has increased. Alright, so it has increased the percentage, so we are good to go, and that's how you know you finally fix the charging. See you in the next video. I'm just going to connect it to a PC, check for data transfer, and that will be it.